Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on your Blogger blog post. This is a fantastic way to enhance your blog content and make it more engaging for your readers by incorporating dynamic video elements directly into your posts. First, head over to blogger.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Blogger dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your blog. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on Layout. This section controls the overall structure and appearance of your blog. From here, click on Theme Designer. This is where you'll be able to customize the visual elements and styling of your blog to match your preferences. Once you're in the Theme Designer, look to the left side again and click on Advanced. This section gives you access to more detailed customization options. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on it and select Add CSS. This option allows you to add custom styling code that will affect how elements appear on your blog. Now here's where it gets important. I have a prepared CSS code ready for you. Feel free to pause the video right now to copy this code carefully. Once you've got it copied, head back to Blogger and paste it into the CSS field. After pasting, make sure to click the Save button located in the lower right corner. This step is crucial as it applies the styling that will make your embedded video look professional and integrated. After saving, go back to the main menu. On the left side, click on Posts. This will show you all your blog posts. Now click on the specific post where you want to embed your YouTube video. This opens up your post for editing. Look for the pencil icon and click it. Then select HTML view. This switches your post from the visual editor to the HTML code view, which is necessary for adding custom embed code. Here comes another important moment. I also have a ready HTML code prepared for you. Feel free to pause the video again to copy this code. Once you've copied it, return to Blogger and paste it into your post in the HTML view. Now pay close attention to the code you just pasted. You'll notice it contains vidid as a placeholder. This is where you'll insert your specific YouTube video ID. Head over to the YouTube video you want to embed and focus on the URL at the top of the page. After the equal sign in the URL, you'll see a string of characters. That's your video ID. Copy it and go back to your Blogger post. Replace vidid in the code with the actual video ID you just copied. Once that's done, click Update in the upper right corner to save your changes. Then click Preview to see how your embedded video looks within your blog post. This preview step ensures everything is working correctly before you publish it live. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Blogger blog post, making your content more dynamic and engaging for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.